Hello guys, welcome back to the Simple Snip Code. My name is Rahul. Finally, we start the series of Python. Before we start, you should know what is computer programming. A computer is an electronic device that manipulates information or data. Where a program is a set of instructions to perform a specific task or operation. And here is what is computer programming. A computer programming is a sequence of instructions that written in any computer programming language to perform a specified task by computer. And here is what is programming language. A programming language is a set of instructions that produce various kinds of output. These computer are not self-operated device. That's nothing but computer needs to get instruction from someone. That someone who will give instruction to computer is called as programmer or developer, and this programmer or developer will give instruction to computer, and this group of instruction is called as program. And to write this program we need language, and those language are called as programming language, and there are many programming language are present, and here in this series we will discuss about the Python programming language. So what is Python? I already mentioned Python is a programming language, right? So Python is a simple general purpose and high level and object oriented programming language. Python is a popular programming language. It was created by Guido von Rossum and released in 1991. Now let's focus on this name Python. In fact, when you talk about C, C++ and Java, this name they have some story, right? What about Python? Is just because the language look like snack, but not exactly. The author of the Python, he is a big fan of British comedy movie called Monty Python Flying Circus, and that's why he went with a name called Python. Python has multiple versions. We have 1.x, 2.x and 3.x, and of course we should be learning 3.x, right? That not means 2.x is not in the market. Python 2.x is still in the market, but in the 3.x came some new feature. That's why we learn 3.x. Here is a version list. The version list start from 1.0 to 3.8. In the upcoming video, we cover difference between Python 2 and Python 3. The next question arises in mind. Should I learn Python 2 or Python 3? The final winner is Python 3 because changes made in Python 3 is easier to beginner to understand. The Python 3 is a readability, functionality and popularity. Give it to the upper hand in the competitive world. Most important, it makes sense to learn Python 3 is because it is the latest version. With the announcement of Python 2, numerous companies like Facebook are racing to update their code to Python 3. Python 3 is certainly easier to grasp than Python 2. The next question, can we learn Python? The answer is yes. It is one of the easiest language to learn, and even if you are not from technical background, you can learn Python. If you don't written any code, you can start with Python. What if I say Python came into picture just to help those people who don't know how to read code and how to write the code? In fact, children can learn Python. That's easy. So why Python is so famous? We have C, C++, Java and JavaScript, and still Python is famous. The first and foremost reason why Python is much popular because it is highly productivity as compared to other programming language like C, C++ and Java. It is much more expressive language and require less time, less efforts and less lines of code to perform the same operation. The Python features to write very fewer lines of code as compared to other language. This make Python very easy to learn programming language even for beginners and newbies. Python is so famous. Now some people say that Python is a new language, but it not exactly. Java came into the picture in 1995 and Python came in 1989. So when Java came into the market, the enterprise market, and everyone started using Java, but Python was there and some people use it. Example, let's say if you want to learn a language for the first time, Python was there, but now since the advancement of machine learning and AI, this was the field where we have research scientists. They don't want to spend so much time to learning a new programming language. So what they wait for the easiest language available, and the easiest language available market is Python. And yes, Python is damn easy, and it is much simple than C, C++, Java. That's why most college, university and school teaching Python. Here we end this tutorial. So thanks for watching guys. If you like this video, please share it with your friends. Do give it like and let me know your comment. See you guys in next video.